Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. Maximum apologies for the weekend there, for not doing the Amen therapy. I was absolutely exhausted with work and everything, and you know, we went out Saturday to do some last minute catching up on Christmas food and stuff like that, and then we heard about this tier 4 lockdown in London, and it was just devastating blow for everyone. I was so exhausted with all the stress going on at work and everything. I decided to just recuperate, recover, because it don't make no sense. You know what I mean? I was sitting there getting ready to put some tunes together and stuff for the show, and to be honest, I was just listening to tracks and I was just completely numb, mate. You know what I mean? To be honest, they weren't doing anything for me, and there's nothing to do with the tunes. It was just literally just exhaustion, man. I needed to rest and you know, regain a bit of battery charge, if you know what I mean. So guys, apologies once again. Business as usual, back in the building, back on it again. I've only got a couple more days to go at work now as well as that, you know, I do my daytime job with the printing and everything, so that gets quite hectic. But I've got a couple of more days to go for this year, and then I'm going to book some time off, which means that I can be in the man cave building videos for you guys, and also focusing on the music and be able to get into the Amen therapy again for next week. All in a day's work. So guys, I just want to say big up to everybody. Also condolences goes out to the Duke, who's lost his dad. RIP, condolences from all of the Amen therapy crew to the man like Duke. Stay strong, mate. Peace and love, man. My heart goes out to you. Peace out.